Prompt Framework, Create. The Create framework in prompt engineering is a strategic approach designed to optimize prompt construction by focusing on 6 essential aspects: clarity, relevance, explicitness, adaptability, tone, and evaluation. This framework serves as a guide for creating precise, adaptable, and effective prompts that yield consistent, high-quality responses from AI models. Here's a deep dive into each element of the Create framework. Clarity. Definition. Clarity emphasizes the need for clear and unambiguous language in prompts. It ensures the model receives straightforward instructions, reducing the risk of misinterpretation or vague responses. Importance. A prompt with clear language minimizes ambiguity, leading to more specific, accurate outputs. Clarity is especially crucial when handling complex topics or multi-step tasks. Ways to improve clarity. Use simple, direct language to reduce complexity. Avoid jargon or technical terms unless necessary and defined. Break down complex tasks into smaller, specific instructions. Example: rather than asking, "Explain the theory in a simple way," try, "Provide a 3-sentence explanation of the theory in simple language suitable for beginners." Relevance definition. Relevance is about tailoring the prompt to focus only on necessary information and avoid extraneous details that could detract from the desired outcome. Importance. Including relevant details helps keep the model focused on the task at hand, which improves the specificity and quality of the response while reducing the potential for confusion. Ways to ensure relevance. Identify the core aspects of the question or task and exclude unrelated information. Ask yourself if each part of the prompt contributes to the desired output. Prioritize information or instructions directly tied to the prompt's main objective. Example: instead of a broad prompt like, "Tell me about social media marketing," specify with list 3 effective strategies for increasing engagement on Instagram among 18 to 24-year-olds. Explicitness. Definition. Explicitness refers to providing specific, detailed instructions so that the AI understands exactly what is expected, including any particular format, length, or style. Importance. By being explicit, you reduce the chance of the model giving an overly broad or unsatisfactory response. It allows the model to focus on the particular requirements, making responses more aligned with user expectations. Ways to increase explicitness. Specify details like word count, structure, or any required sections. State if you need a list, essay, summary, or step-by-step response. If relevant, outline particular elements or key points you expect. Example: rather than write about climate change, specify write a 150-word paragraph on the impact of climate change on agriculture, focusing on crop yields and water availability. Adaptability. Definition. Adaptability emphasizes making prompts flexible and open-ended enough for the AI to provide diverse insights or creative solutions, while still being directed toward the primary goal. Importance. A prompt that is too restrictive can limit the potential of AI, while an adaptable prompt encourages the model to explore a broader range of responses within set boundaries. This is especially useful for tasks requiring creativity or multiple perspectives. Ways to incorporate adaptability. Use prompts that allow for alternative interpretations when diverse responses are desired. If multiple answers are acceptable, specify this openness in the prompt. Encourage AI to consider different angles or offer creative solutions. Example: instead of asking, "Give one solution for reducing pollution," consider, Suggest several creative ways that individuals and communities can help reduce pollution. Tone definition. Tone defines the emotional and stylistic approach in the response, whether it should be formal, friendly, persuasive, neutral, or any other tone appropriate to the context. Importance. Tone is essential for aligning the response with the audience's expectations and ensuring that the AI's output resonates appropriately with readers or listeners. Ways to set the right tone. Specify the intended tone, such as friendly, authoritative, or empathetic. Mention any specific language preferences, such as using simple language or professional terminology. Ensure the tone aligns with the context, purpose, and audience of the output. Example: for a customer support response, you might specify, respond with a friendly and understanding tone to reassure the customer while providing information about their issue. Evaluation. Definition. Evaluation refers to assessing the effectiveness of the prompt and adjusting it based on the quality of the response. This involves reviewing the output for alignment with the desired outcome and refining the prompt if necessary. Importance. Prompt engineering is often iterative. By evaluating the responses generated, prompt engineers can identify areas for improvement, such as clarity, specificity, or adherence to tone, ensuring that future prompts yield better results. Ways to conduct effective evaluation. Review the output to see if it meets the initial objectives and requirements. Adjust prompts based on whether the model's response was too general, overly detailed, or not in line with the intended tone. Experiment with rephrasing or adding details to refine the prompt for better results. Example: if the initial prompt, summarize the impact of technology on education, returns an overly general answer, refine it to provide a summary of how digital technology has transformed classroom learning and student engagement in the past decade. Applying the CREATE framework in practice. By combining all 6 components of the CREATE framework, prompt engineers can craft prompts that are well-balanced, clear, and optimized for specific tasks. Here's an example using each aspect. Prompt: I need a 100-word persuasive product description for an eco-friendly water bottle. Clarity: focus on the product's environmental benefits and durability, relevance, and format it in 2 short paragraphs. Explicitness: offer unique selling points that might appeal to a young, sustainability-focused audience. Adaptability: use a friendly and upbeat tone. Review if the output clearly addresses environmental benefits and engages the audience effectively. Evaluation. Expected output: meet the water bottle that's as kind to the planet as it is stylish. Made from recycled materials, this durable bottle helps reduce plastic waste and supports sustainable practices. Perfect for your active lifestyle, it's tough enough to handle any adventure while keeping your drinks fresh. Join the eco-friendly movement and sip sustainably with every refill. Benefits of the CREATE framework: consistency and quality control. CREATE helps in maintaining consistency in prompt structure, producing higher quality outputs across various topics and tasks. Efficiency in iteration. By following these steps, prompt engineers can quickly assess and adjust prompts, improving the quality of responses over time. Versatility. The framework is adaptable to a wide range of applications, from content creation and information retrieval to complex problem-solving. Enhanced creativity and precision. CREATE encourages balanced prompts that give enough direction for precision without stifling the AI's potential for creative responses. Summary: the Create framework is a comprehensive tool for prompt engineering, ensuring prompts are crafted with precision, adaptability, and audience focus. By incorporating clarity, relevance, explicitness, adaptability, tone, and evaluation into the prompt design process, engineers can maximize the effectiveness of their prompts, leading to responses that meet both the immediate task requirements and the larger objectives. Have you tried the Create framework? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on AI prompting and content creation.